we're going to do a chicken broccoli pasta dish. I got it off of a reel that I saw. I'm starting to find a lot more recipes there that actually seem like they would be good and that turn out well. So I started looking there more for recipes for us to do together. I just wanted you to see that I already browned a few. These were the chicken breast tenderloins, but they should average out to about 2 pounds. I've already chopped them up as small as I can get them because they just don't sound like enough. And then I cooked them in some olive oil. Now this is loosely based on that reel that I saw, so I'm going to do it my own way. Okay, y'all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the garlic in here with a little bit of oil that's already here for the chicken. And we're going to put this bacon in here. And I'm just going to turn it over just a little bit. And we're going to remove it. Now, if you want to use bacon that you know, raw bacon, you can do that. I always use the real bacon pieces. It's just faster. I just do that. I've started noticing a lot of other YouTubers do the same. So I just turn that over in the pan so I can get a little bit of the flavor in there. Heat's still on. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my heavy cream, and then I'm going to get y'all some broth. You need 2 cups heavy cream, 2 cups of chicken broth. Okay, so before I add anything else back in here, let's go ahead and get our seasonings done. Put some Creole seasoning in this, and I want to add about a teaspoon or so of onion powder. We did have garlic in it, but I just feel like it needs a little bit of onion. I'm also going to add a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Not much, just a little bit. Okay. So now we're going to add some steamed broccoli to this. You can probably do fresh, it'll be fine. And we're going to add the meat back in.
To let this simmer
for another 10 minutes or so we can put it in the oven. So let me cover this, let it cook for 10 minutes. Go ahead now and get your oven preheated to 350 because you're going to need to put it in there in the end. Okay. Make sure as this 10 minutes goes on that you are stirring your pasta. Don't forget. I'm going to turn the burner off. My oven's preheated. I need to add the final things to this so that we can get it in the oven. Go ahead and add your bacon back in. Okay. And we're going to add a little bit of parm. Some breadcrumbs. Just a little bit. And then you're going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, y'all. So this is it. I let it cook for about 20 minutes, and it smells great. All right, see y'all next time.